All right, let's dive in. If you're an entrepreneur dreaming of building your own real estate empire online, you've got a huge decision to make right at the start. Do you build your platform from scratch, or is there a smarter, faster way to get there? We're going to break it all down. So, you want to build the next Zillow, right? I mean, who doesn't? It's the ultimate goal, creating that slick, go-to app where everyone, buyers, sellers, agents, congregates. The dream is big, no doubt. But you know, that journey from idea to reality, it's often paved with some pretty massive hurdles. And yeah, here's the reality check. Building something like that from the ground up is, well, it's a beast. We're not talking weeks. We're talking months, sometimes even a whole year of just pure development. You need a big team. You need designers, engineers. And the budget? Oh, that can get out of hand fast. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest before you've even sold a single ticket.
So what if you could skip the hardest part of that climb? What if there was a shortcut? Well, the source material we're looking at today suggests exactly that. They call it a Zillow Clone Script. Now you're probably asking, what on earth is that?
Okay, so here's the deal. A Zillow Clone Script is basically a ready-made platform. It's the foundation of your app already built for you. The analogy in the source is perfect. It's like buying a brand new, fully built model home instead of hiring an architect and a construction crew. The plumbing works, the electricity is on, all the key stuff is there, tested and good to go. You just have to move in and add your personal touch.
And when we say ready-made, we're talking about the whole shebang. You're not starting with a blank page. You're starting with a powerful set of tools right out of the gate. Think about it. Interactive map searches, 3D virtual tours, detailed listings, even loan calculators. All that stuff that users expect, it's already there from day one. That means you look professional and polished from the moment you launch. Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. This is the big showdown. The clone script versus building from scratch, custom development. Now, custom dev gives you total freedom, right? You can build whatever you want, but the source we're looking at zeroes in on two things that are absolutely critical for any startup: speed and money. Let's see how they stack up.
Just look at this table. The difference is pretty stark. On one side, you've got custom development. Time to market? We're talking months, maybe a year. Cost? A fortune, literally. And features? You have to build every single one from scratch. Now look at the Zillow Clone Script column. Launch quickly, a fraction of the cost. And the best part, the features are pre-built and already tested. There's no guesswork.
So what does all this really mean for your business? Well, it's simple. A faster launch means you start making money sooner. In the world of real estate tech, speed is everything. Getting your app out there fast means you're attracting users and signing up agents while your competition is still stuck in meetings just talking about their launch.
And let's talk about that cost difference for a second. We're talking a fraction of the cost. But it's not just about saving money. It's about what you can do with that money. The source makes a great point here. Every dollar you don't spend on coding is a dollar you can pour into what actually grows your business: marketing, getting your name out there, and building a brand that people trust. Okay, I know what you might be thinking. If it's pre-built, won't my app just look like everyone else's? Am I just getting a cookie-cutter solution? That's a totally fair question. But the source tackles this head-on, explaining how these scripts are really built for today and ready for tomorrow.
And here's how they see it. You're getting the best of both worlds. On one hand, you get a proven foundation. The code is tested, it's reliable, so your users have a great, smooth experience from the start. But on the other hand, you still get to create your own unique brand identity. You can tweak the design, add your own special features, and really make the platform your own. So no, it's not a cookie cutter.
So, think of your app's journey in 3 simple steps. Step 1, launch fast with all those powerful features ready to go. Step 2, customize. This is where you put your own stamp on it and stand out from the crowd. And step 3, scale. As your business blows up and you get more and more users, the platform is built to grow right along with you, seamlessly.
All right, we've seen the comparison, we've looked at the pros and cons. So what's the final take from our source? What's the bottom line in this whole showdown?
Honestly, this quote just nails it. For a real estate business, timing is everything. Saving time can give you a huge advantage over competitors. It all comes back to speed. In a market this competitive, being first with a great product can be the difference between winning big and, well, not winning at all. So, the final verdict from the source, Zipprr.com, is pretty clear. They see a Zillow Clone Script as the definitive shortcut to get into the market and start competing right away. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds like the right move for me, the source, Zipprr, actually provides a solution for this. You can check out their Zillow Clone Script.
They provided their contact info right here. You can call them or shoot them an email. It's a powerful way to turn that big dream of a real estate empire into a reality and do it a whole lot faster. Thanks for tuning in.